Welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is chapter 24, exercise number 8. We're going to go back and look at the ablative of comparison. Comparatio, comparationis, feminine, it comes from comparare, to compare. And so the ablative of comparison is fairly straightforward. Example here, pater prudentior est filio. Father is more clever than the son. That is the ablative of comparison right there, filio. It is just comparison without quam. We're used to saying quam with it, but when you take the quam away, you put the thing that is compared in the ablative. So pater prudentior est quam filius is the father is more clever, quam filius, than the son is. When you use quam, the thing that is being compared is the in the nominative case. So leone fortior is the same as fortior quam leo. Fortior quam leo, braver than a lion. Leone, ablative, fortior, braver than a lion. So let's do one example. Digitus quartus minor est blank blank quam digitus medius. So the fourth finger is minor, is smaller than the middle finger. We need the ablative here of comparison, so digito medio. Okay, you've already probably done those exercises. That was just a quick review. If you haven't, go back and finish those. And here we are in the grammatica. The grammatica is practiced with the plusquamperfectum, the pluperfect. Active is the perfect stem. That's what this little squiggly line, the single squiggly line, means, is the perfect stem. So that is the stem minus isse. So for the verb like vocavit, vocavisse, take away the isse, and you get voca with a V. Vocav, and so add eram, eras, erat to that. Vocavaram, vocavaras, vocavarat, and that is the pluperfect. I had called, you had called, etc. The passive form, these two squiggly lines here, mean the supine. The supine, remember, is the fourth principal part, if you're doing all four, but then in our lists, it's the third principal part. So, for example, from vocare, vocavisse, vocatum. Vocatus a would be our stem. So the supine stem is vocat plus the word eram, eras, erat as a separate word with it gives us the pluperfect passive. So vocatus blank or space, vocatus space eram would be I had been called. And so let's look over here at the example. Vocavit, he called, is the praeteritum perfectum, the perfect past, the past perfect. Vocavarat is not the past perfect, but the past pluperfect. Plus quam perfectum. There we go. Plusquamperfectum, third person singular, ends in erat, which is added to which stem, right? And here we see it is to the stem of the perfecti. I didn't write the whole thing in. The stem of the perfect, like dixerat. Dix is the perfect stem, and we add erat to it. The pluperfect singular, first person ends in eram. Second person is the perfect stem plus eras. Third, erat. The plural eramus, eratis, erant. Those are the endings. Let's look at our last exercise. Here we have all of our verb forms. So make sure you've created your flashcards, you've memorized these forms, because a lot of times the perfect stem is very different from the present. For example, cadera, to fall, to have fallen, is not cadisse, but kekidisse. To have fallen. Cognoscere turns into cognovisse, and then cognotum. Sorry, I'm going to fix that. Cognitum should be the correct form.